Starting an injection molding quote with Xometry is just a click away. Our secure file upload system accepts most CAD file types. Feel free to upload multiple files at a time. Click the Configure Part button to build your quote further. You can review your designs with our 3D viewer, and our built-in search tool can help you find useful resources. Select Injection Molding from the Process Selection drop-down menu. You can update part quantity at the top of the page. Let us know if you are interested in tooling designed for quick-turn molding, prototype runs, or for high-volume production. Choose from one of our many materials. Specify the material color, fillers for your material, as well as any desired additives. Pick one or multiple finishes from our diverse finishing options, including glossy, matte, and textured finishes. Call out where the finish should be applied by selecting the corresponding option. If you don't see the materials or finishes you're looking for, select the other option and write in your custom request. We're happy to make accommodations whenever possible. You can specify features such as tapped holes, inserts, or part marking requirements. If your molded part requires tolerances tighter than our standard manufacturing tolerances, be sure to specify the tightest range and the number of specialty tolerances. Be sure to attach technical drawings or other supporting documents via the Drawings and Files section by either dragging and dropping or browsing for the files. Injection molded parts can be inspected in various ways, starting with our included standard inspection, to more in-depth options such as first article inspections, which include detailed reports. Additionally, you can add qualification and certification requirements, such as certificates of conformance and material certifications. You can use the Notes section to call attention to specific needs or to expand upon any custom requirements. Once you're done configuring your line item, click the Save Properties button located in the upper right to save the changes and return to the quote summary screen. Once you have configured all items on your quote, click the Request a Manual Quote button to the right. Your request will immediately be sent off to our dedicated team of project managers and engineers who will begin reviewing your request and build a DFM report. We will typically respond within a business day of the request and provide your quote for review once finalized. When ready to order, simply go to checkout or share the quote with the purchaser. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions, our customer service agents and engineering experts are here to help.